yourself. Sign yourself. Look for the signal, look for the signal there. Potential. Place your clock hands on the sensors. Don't leave your feet outside, yes, bend over. Kneel down on your knees, eyes to the sky, eyes to the sky. Put on the veil, put on the veil. Wait for the flashing light and be your mind. Don't think of anything, it isn't necessary to speak. Wait for the signal. There are many questions. Where do you keep your hands at night? Over or under your underwear? Have you committed impure acts? Act as actor of the practical act. Have you thought obscene things? Carried out the scenes, defamed sentence, soon be father and mother. Father and mother. Please puzzle your lord's names in vain, the names of employers. Disturb the peace of the unions. Have you sanctified holidays? Made bets, bickered, ignored the floor, they've barked up the wrong tree. Please close your eyes, take your hands off the sensors. Put your forehead on the sensor. Remove your hands, put your forehead.